In a climate of increasing power demand and waning fossil fuels, a new emphasis has been put on the development of renewable energy. Solar panels, wind farms, and geothermal energy are currently in the environmental limelight, but another great power source exists, one that has never been pursued in earnest: the power of ocean tides. The moon's gravitational pull on our planet's oceans creates an effect known as tides. Water is pulled above its normal level once or twice during the day. Ocean levels are in constant flux from tides, changing from 2 to 17 meters near the coast. The displacement of that much water with such frequency is the source of tidal power. This is Rance Tidal Power Plant, one of the only barrage tidal power plants in existence. Barrage power plants consist of 3 different parts. 1. The barrage itself is made of concrete and holds the water back during high tide. The second part are the sluice gates. The sluice gates let water in and out during high and low tides. The third part is a conventional turbine and generator. From these 3 parts, an incredible amount of power can be harnessed. The sluice gates are left open during high tide and closed during low tide to create a water level differential. This water differential then powers the turbine while the water is released. A downside to barrage power plants is that they rely on manipulation of ocean levels and therefore have the same effect on the environment as hydroelectric dams. This means a change in the local aquatic ecosystem and a high mortality for fish. This is CGen, the world's first commercial tidal stream generator. Tidal stream generators consist of 3 basic parts. The control box monitors and engages power generation during the tidal cycle. The turbine and generator converts the movement of water into electricity, and the underwater transmission lines transfer power back to shore. As the tide moves in and out, power is generated in much the same way as windmills. The difference is that water, which is 830 times denser than air, produces more energy at lower speeds. Unfortunately, this great burst of power is only generated a maximum of 4 times a day.